Our intervention project focuses on the revitalization of a site in Hengelo, a city in the Netherlands. With a strong emphasis on adhering to LEED neighborhood development principles, the site was chosen due to its current substandard condition and qualifies as an infill site, given its potential development. Adjacent to a low-density neighborhood and bounded by a highway to the south, the area predominantly consists of individually constructed houses, a result of extensive housing construction in the previous century. The buildings have mostly low heights and are dispersed, primarily serving residential purposes, while necessary amenities are typically concentrated in nearby centers. To guide our design process, we conducted a thorough analysis and created an interpretation plan that informed our approach into the project area. On our map, we have incorporated essential solutions that align with LEED neighborhood development standards. This includes considerations for various functions within the neighborhood and the strategic positioning of important roads that connect the surrounding centers. Densities within the site were determined by carefully considering the surrounding context. As mentioned earlier, the neighboring areas have a low density. Hence, we designed the borders of our site to have a low density, gradually transitioning to higher densities in the central area, where also houses the main center. This approach allows us to achieve the desired least density standards. Our typologies comprise multi-unit buildings of varying heights, ranging from 12 to 80 meters. These buildings feature common green public spaces on each floor area. In addition, one typology incorporates a parking area for residents' bikes on the ground level and an underground parking for cars. Another typology consists of medium-height buildings with 4 residential floors and a commercial ground floor. We've also created an enclosed space with multi-unit buildings of 12 and 15 meter heights, utilizing it as a parking and bicycle storage area. Finally, we have designed 3-story dwelling units that harmonize with the shape of the water body in the front. All typologies feature green roofs to mitigate the heat island effect and capture rainwater for irrigation purposes. Solar panels are also installed to generate renewable energy for the residents. Our site exhibits diverse block densities, achieved through a variation in the building heights. This intentional diversity distinguishes our neighborhood from the surrounding areas, providing a unique character. The green area, a central element of our project, encompasses the primary surface of the development, shaping the entire network of roads, bicycle paths, and sidewalks. This expansive space, integrated with water bodies, kiosks, and bicycle storage facilities, serves as a decongestant amidst in a high-density neighborhood, offering families a place to stroll, picnic, and enjoy leisure activities. Our road system prioritizes accessibility, with multiple entrances to the project area. While a main road caters to vehicular traffic, the remaining roads are primarily designed for pedestrians and bicycles, encouraging active transportation and reducing vehicle miles traveled. To mitigate the impact of rainfall, all sidewalks feature open grid systems to prevent flooding. Moreover, a bus line traverses our site, connecting it to the city center. This accessibility promotes the use of public transportation, further reducing the vehicle miles traveled. Within our site, we have incorporated diverse land uses, ensuring that most facilities are easily accessible to the residents. By strategically locating centers throughout the site divided by the park, we ensure that every part of the area has access to necessary amenities. This comprehensive approach enhances the livability and convenience of our neighborhood. In summary, our LEED neighborhood development project in Hengelo demonstrates a thoughtful and sustainable approach to urban revitalization. Through careful consideration of densities, building typologies, green infrastructure, transportation systems, and access to amenities, we aim to create a vibrant, inclusive, and adventure-conscious neighborhood that serves as a model for future developments.